In this video, I will show you how to unmark invoice as paid in Quickbooks. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to sales, and then here you're gonna find all your invoices. Now, as you can see, this is paid. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on this arrow and then go to view/edit. And then here, what you're gonna have to do, as you can see right here, so as you can see, you're gonna have to find the invoice. Then after that, you're gonna have to select the view/edit, and then simply click the payment made hyperlink below the paid payment status and select the date. And what you're gonna have to do is simply, as you can see right here, is simply click more button at the bottom and select the delete. So here you're gonna have to simply select the more, and then you're gonna have to simply delete this. So as you can see right here. So basically that's all you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.